Hey, what's up, guys? So we got the washer and dryer that we're giving away loaded up, and we are now on our way to get them delivered. Let's do it. Should be a good one. The people that were awarded the washer and dryer preferred not to be part of any camera action, so we decided to record and share our experience with you guys. The best part of our experience is knowing that the washer and dryer went to a very deserving family. The washer and dryer was perfect for the location. Thanks again for your support. We will continue to do awesome things like this.